All right, so today we're going to be trying out the Keller Williams app and showing off its GPS features. We're cruising this neighborhood and coming up to a for sale sign here. So I'm going to pull over and open up my app, tap nearby homes, and it's hopefully going to show off and bring up the listing that we're parked in front of. So bust out my app real quick, and like I said, all you got to do is tap nearby homes, and the first return is 1612 Poppy, and that's where we are. So it's a really cool feature. I use it a lot when I'm walking the dog, if the neighbor's house goes on the market, or if you're in a new city or researching neighborhoods, you can be driving around and just stop, pull up the app, and there you go. It'll pull it up. First return on nearby homes.